what's good, guys? So today we're doing lesson 5.2, apply and define angle rotations. So an angle rotation is like a transformation around the center point P. So look, this, imagine you're rotating a square, right? Without this like a center point, you can't really rotate it, right? So once you have this center point right here, now you could rotate it. Or if you have it right here, you rotate it, right? So here in this figure, this angle A, once you rotate it 110 degrees, it turns into A prime over here. So every point in its image are the same distance from P. So the distance doesn't change. That's one main thing. So the length of segment PA stays the same even when you rotate it. So PA prime is the same length as PA. All angles with the vertex P formed by a point in its image have the same measure. This angle measures the angle of rotation. So yeah, this is the angle of rotation. Nice. Here are some formulas, right? So if it just says 90 degrees rotation of point, I don't know, PAC, you just assume it's counterclockwise. So imagine a clock, right? It goes this way, but you have to assume it goes this way, the rotations. So 90 degrees rotation counterclockwise, let's just say right here, this is our point. 120 rotation, 90 degree rotation would be right here. Now this would be a 90 degree rotation with this formula. Negative y x comma y turns into negative y x. 180 degree rotation, negative x, negative y. So we just see here, it goes from here to right here. Let me change that color. From here to here. 270 counterclockwise. So from right here to right here, that's 270. 360 is just full circle. You don't change it. Just kept that way. Rotation. Let's just say it's 90 degrees clockwise. How would you find that, right? It doesn't have you don't have the formula here. Keep in mind, 360 minus 270 equals 90 degrees. So 90 degrees clockwise is the same as 270 counterclockwise. And you could see right here, 360 minus x degrees. If you know the formulas clockwise, you just use counterclockwise. So now let's just do some examples. So right here.
Oh man, I don't have the formula for, I don't know how to find a rotation.
Don't worry, I got you. So first of all, you have to assume it's counterclockwise. Counterclockwise. It's not always going to tell you. Just assume it's counterclockwise. Unless it tells you clockwise. I need it clockwise. Then don't change it. So I have a trick for you. Let's just go right here. Rotate left. Oh, you see here? You don't have the formulas? Just rotate. Remember, the formula I think was negative yx. So just use that. Look. Now, since the y and the x's are switched, right? Negative, negative, positive, positive. So the new value, s prime, is 4, 2. T prime, 4, 4. R prime, negative 1, 3. Now let's compare it. So now that we have these, right? We have these values. We just plug it in. S prime is 4, 2. T prime is 4, 4. And R prime is negative 1, 3. Yeah, I know it does not look like a 90 degree counterclockwise rotation, but trust me, it is. It definitely is. You could go back, you could flip it, you could do whatever. And yeah, see? So let's just see. S prime, we said it was 4, 2. And here, S is 2, negative 4. What did I tell you? Negative yx. Instead of having to do all that, plugging it back in, do the math, you just flip it. You just flip it. See how good that is? I mean, it's awesome, right? You don't have to do all that boring work. So remember we talked about counterclockwise, 270 counterclockwise equal to 90 degrees clockwise? Well, you could do that too. Let me flip it right or clockwise, and then yeah, let's do the same. So right here, a B prime will be 0 comma 2. A prime 3 comma 2. C prime 2 comma 4. We just flip. Now we have those points. We just graph. Yeah, we just graph. So B prime is 0 comma 2. Yeah, so C prime is B prime is 0 2. A prime is 3 2. Let me label it B A and then C 2 4. Yeah. So our new shape after the rotation is this. Yup, it's pretty easy once you get the hang of. I would recommend you guys just flip it, right? Unless it really tells you, hey, here's the table, there's the graph, then you would have to use the formula. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Keep on practicing.